Welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful piece of jewelry. Let's get started. First things first, a basic background layer will be applied, which helps to smooth out the surface and also gives a nice texture. Once the background is all done, I calibrate my diamond line cutting tool. Just like that. Small size line tools such as this 0.5mm require moderate velocity, so I will speed through this part. Choosing a slower feed rate not only extends the diamond tip's lifespan but also gives a much better, more shiny result at the end. It is also possible to use coolants such as isopropyl alcohol, though in this video we decided not to use them for a better view of the process. Alright, next tool is a special diamond point tool with 0.5mm tip. These diamond tools are made to create shiny, small, gem-like decorations on gold or silver. Do not use them for lining jobs because they can damage the diamond. This CNC technique is fast and efficient and also looks great on a variety of designs, especially when combined with other tools, such as the 1mm ballpoint tool, what I will use next. What is the difference between the regular point tool and the ballpoint tool? Well, just a small detail. Ballpoint makes rounded indents, while normal point tools give a faceted look. I could choose a regular 1mm point tool for this bangle, but I decided to spice things up a little bit. I think it already starts looking great. As for the next step, I will apply some cuts with the horizontal Posolux head. Just a little bit, here and there. I do not want to overdo it. These cuts are exceptionally brilliant, I love them. And here we are, at the final step. All that is left is to cut out some bits to make our jewelry more interesting and let the design pop out. We apply a 0.7mm end mill and go deeper and deeper slowly until we reach the desired depth. In this video we used 6 different layers with different tools. A background tool, a line tool, 2 different point tools, a Posolux tool and finally an end mill, all in one machine, the Bulunmaz Bangle Master. And here is the result. Thank you for watching, like, share, subscribe and see you again next time. Bye bye.